here with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have an amazing exotic sports car. It is a 2010 Maserati Quattroporte GTS, and it's finished in a gray granite metallic, which right now I can tell you that the color of this car is doing zero justice for you on the video. This color is absolutely stunning and breathtaking when you do see it in person. However, at sunsets or in the videos in general, it just does not show up the proper color in which it is. On the interior, we have the nice cream leather with the Alcantara or suede inserts, and you'll see throughout the car the Alcantara is throughout, along with on the steering wheel and here in the door panels, which when I do the whenever I do the test drive on this car, I will show you more of that as I go around. Your huge 20-inch wheels. The GTS is actually part of sort of the sports suspension, so it's going to be a lowered suspension. It is a factory lowered suspension, so it definitely handles better, is sportier, but is still your four-door Maserati. Under the hood here, we have the most phenomenal and fantastic Ferrari-made engine. It is a 4.7 liter V8, and it produces 433 massive horsepower and 361 foot-pounds of torque. So not only this is the engine completely ridiculous and fast, but you also do have the suspension, which helps you handle it much better. And once again, with the wheels, we do have your 20-inch wheels, so they're massive wheels, and the massive red brake calipers as well, and brand new tires. Absolutely love these tires. They look awesome on this car. And like I said, the red brake calipers are amazing. Here on the passenger side of the car, you can see once again the Alcantara through here, and the multi-contour seats, and of course, very clean car. One owner, sold originally out of Naples. So you have basically nothing to worry about as far as where the car has been, because we do know where it has been. One of the things that I like about this car is where your feet go on the ground. It is black in color. I mention this sometimes in my videos. I do like that. I do prefer that. This way you can comfortably sit down in the vehicle and not be so concerned about your feet getting the floor, maybe it's a cream colored floor, so dirty. So that is always an awesome thing about the black floors as well. And of course your dual exhaust, these are going to be your backup sensors as well. And the trunk space is ample. Nobody should complain about not having enough trunk space, because it's plenty. Any type of sedan, this would be ample trunk space, especially with a sports sedan. So I'm going to take it out on a test drive and show you guys how phenomenal it is. I'm going to get it started up. We do have both keys to this car. 26,368 miles right there in the odometer, in case you're not seeing exactly where that is. And I'm going to get us moving to get this gate open. Like I said, we do have a one owner vehicle with just 26,000 miles, sold here out of Naples. And we do have the Alcantara wrapped steering wheel, which is awesome. Your multi-function steering wheel as well. We have the Maserati clock, the beautiful wood green. Oh my gosh, I love this wood green. And the upgraded command center here, which is made by Bose. So you can see that this is going to be upgraded, and it is awesome. There's your Bluetooth options, you have your navigation options, of course your radio options as well. I'm just getting out here on the road. We do have the paddle shifters and those are actually massive paddle shifters. Do you see
when
these?
you turn the wheel, you always can reach them, you know.
Yeah,
They
right.
stay-
Yeah, right. So whenever you're quick,
Yes.
yeah. I love them, actually. I'm not going to lie to you. Amazing vehicle, very beautiful. The Alcantara in any car, but especially this exotic sports car, really gives it such a luxurious feel to it and look to it. I was going to say something. It's rare that you find a four-door true sports car. This is 100% four-door, seats 5 people, and it is a real true sports car. And a lot of people cannot have that or find that as an option, and here it is. We have it for you. We have serviced this car. You can see that as well. The oil has been changed. I'll show you in a few moments. You do have your sport mode as well. My camera guy is
Yeah,
just...
I put it in sport mode for you. Put the acceleration down. Since this car really sounds good on the way home.
Just per usual, not even paying attention to a thing I'm saying, but doing his own thing. And if y'all could see his S-H-I-T eating grin, like he just doesn't even care. He's like, what, you were saying something? But I was showing the sticker. Some people like to see this. They ask about the last time the oil was changed, and you can see that that is a sticker from us here at Autohaus of Naples. We have serviced it, and it is ready to go. And another thing too is I should probably show you how it goes, because our cameraman's about to bust at the seams.
Walking there.
Oh, okay. Is that what the...
Yeah, best.
Okay. Anyway, the sunshade in the back, the Maserati emblems or head crests, or what are they? They're the head crests, correct? Throughout?
Yeah.
Headrests.
Mhm.
I think they're awesome throughout these cars. Everything about it is definitely going to be your premium, your top notch. Anything from the wood grain to the Alcantara to the leather to the sunshades. We have your sunroof, which is nice. Everything is amazing on this car. So
let's do it now.
And now maybe I can hush him up a little bit. Okay.
Make it scream.
Yes. Oh my God. Wow.
Just a car with a soul, It just sounds good.
It just moves. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it just moves.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
no, like, and it just does it.
And it's that growl that motor makes.
Yeah, and it felt, the suspension is a real thing with the Sport GTS.
But it doesn't beat you up, It's still stiffer, but it doesn't make you feel bad or something.
No, I agree. I think that it really did. Wow. Ooh.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but this car is awesome. Dual air conditioning, the fun stuff. We have it. So I'm just gonna pull over here. 239-263-8500 is our phone number. Give us a call if you have any questions about this car.
And you can save a lot of money compared to buying new.
This had about 140,000 plus window sticker, original window sticker. So that's another thing, is that you can save a lot of money by purchasing this with just one owner at 26,000 miles. Great
Everybody
savings.
likes to save.
Yeah. My name is Marianne. Again, it's 239-263-8500. On the web, it's autohausnaples.com. House is the German spelling of H-A-U-S. And you can find us on social media as well, Autohaus Naples. And I will see you guys on the next one.